Well, early stage, when you're building brand new technology, you're working with a pilot site, and maybe you've got your first big customer, there is no safety net. There is no, well, if this doesn't work, we'll try something else, because you don't get a second chance. Your big customer just drops you immediately and moves on, and you're done at that point. So there were many days when we were there late at night with a bug in our product or a problem that we created, and we had the company on the line. And, the one story I tell is we had our first large customer. It's my current parent company, HCA, and we had 3 hospitals live, and everybody was loving the product. And then we did an upgrade of our software, and simultaneously they upgraded iOS. This is a shop that uses predominantly iOS smartphones, and it went swimmingly the first day. And then the second day, users could not log in to the system to make phone calls or to get alerts and alarms. The texting function worked, but voice did not work at all.
Ouch. Yes, that's a rough
second
one.
day, not the first day, but the second day. And we're thinking, oh, you always think it can't be us.
Yeah, it's not us. It's always
right.
point immediately do this.
Exactly. Some networking engineer changed the giant Cisco plant and made a change, maybe, added a firewall rule, who knows? And now that causes us to have a problem of logging in. We were up, God knows how long, looking at this, and realized in the middle of the night that we created the problem. And the problem was that we had a bug in our code that had been there since the first iteration of our product, and this is 3 years into it. And the iOS upgrade actually made that bug apparent. The latest version of iOS made this bug apparent, and the bug would not allow us to log out. You could log in. That's why the first day it worked great.
Yeah.
And then no one could log out. So they went to log in the second day. When they came back for their shift the next day, they were already logged in on another phone. So it wouldn't allow them to log in. I mean, it was, and we're sitting there looking at one another. There's 14 of us in the company at that point in time going, well, we don't solve this problem, we can all go home, because this will be our last day working here together. But that's what entrepreneurism is like. There's no safety net. It's really, got to get it done one way or another, because there is no alternative.